Hello, crawlspace dwellers, and welcome to the Retro Computer Crawlspace, Episode 4, the Mega Episode. In today's episode, I'm going to open up another container. Watch out for the beam. Coming through the second space. But before we get there, a little preview. I found this morning. So I'll have a sneak peek. What could this be? Something for next time. Also ran across my original IBM flowchart template. This has got to be a zillion years old. It's in a box of desk bits. Okay, look out for the big beam. Right, and onward to the back. Deeper you go, typically the older this stuff is. So I've been moving the boxes so that I can get at them. Put the bottom on the top. So now I can open this box. And this box contains an Atari Mega ST. Not sure which model. This was the first computer I bought myself with my first job after school. Before that, I used the TRS-80 Model 1 through high school, university, and grad school. So did a ton of work on that box. Really paid for itself. Back to the Mega ST. Had a detached keyboard and pizza box. Here's the keyboard. Those colored decals are for running WordPerfect. Back in the day, everyone ran WordPerfect. That's the connection there. Okay, so in the box, here's the unit itself. Extremely heavy. Not sure why. Why is it so heavy? Okay. So it is a Mega ST2, which means it came with 2 megabytes of RAM. That is not the original floppy disk, so that was replaced at some point. Okay, let's check the battery compartment. Fingers crossed there are no batteries in here. Yikes, so there are no batteries, but quite a deal of corrosion. There were bad batteries in here once. That will need to be cleaned up. Turning the unit around. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so that looks stock, but on the other side, you can't see it from the other direction. It looks like additional ventilation has been slotted in on that side, which is in keeping with over here on the fan. The fan slots, half of them have been removed to increase airflow. Okay, this isn't original. There's some sort of a switch here. I do not remember what that could possibly be for. The rest looks stock. Reset button, power switch. We've got serial, parallel, MIDI ports, monitor, external floppy, and external hard disk. This unit, as I recall, had a humongous 20 megabyte hard drive, at least originally. It was probably put in at some point. More on that in a second. Looking in the box is one of its monitors. The Atari had both color and black and white monitors, so I don't know which one this was. The black and white was high res, and it was great for like word processing, very crisp text. Here's a cartridge for the machine. This is a Magic Sac. With this, it turns your Atari ST into an Apple Macintosh. In here are just a couple of Apple Mac ROMs. The idea was you could go to a parts reseller and buy legitimate Apple ROMs, put them in the cartridge, and put them on the machine to turn your Atari into a Mac. There was a company that produced or sold, I don't know, tens of thousands of them. That's a compact mouse that has nothing to do with this box. Why is that in here? Don't know. There's an Atari mouse. The company that produced all of those ROMs was later discovered that while some of them were truly resale, they were creating their own, and of course, that wasn't the thing to do. The 20 megabyte hard drive had 3 partitions on it. The first partition was for Atari software, the second partition was for Macintosh software, and the third partition was for IBM XT software under the IBM XT emulator. So, 3 partitions in 20 megabytes, 3 machines. Crazy. So now it comes to, at some point, have to decide which one of these machines to move up to the lab to restore and try to get working. TRS-80, an Atari, or something else, one of these color computers. Anyway, this has been episode 4, the Mega episode. Thank you for watching.